Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Kinpira Carrot. Thinly cut carrots are braised in a sweet and salty sauce. This is a very easy to make side dish you can make in no time, and you can make ahead of time and keep it in the fridge for up to a week. These are the ingredients. Usually Kinpira is made with gobo burdock root, but today we are using just carrot. For more information, please visit our website japanesecooking101.com. First we peel the carrot, slice thinly, and cut into thin matchsticks. Heat the oil in a frying pan, add the carrots, and cook for a few minutes until soften a little. Add all the seasonings, sake, mirin, and soy sauce, and cook until the liquid is gone. Remove from the heat and sprinkle with sesame seeds and mix. Kinpira Carrot is a convenient side dish for bento lunch and busy weekday dinners when you want one more thing for the menu.
美味しいね。